Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about how to boost your immune system with the Mediterranean diet. Most of what I'm going to discuss is a natural part of the Mediterranean diet anyway, but I'd like to give you some tips on lifestyle and food choices so you can make a plan and a shopping list. Variety is key to proper nutrition. Eat the rainbow. Fruits and vegetables in a variety of colors offer a complete nutritional package, and each color has its own nutritional benefits. Before we get into specifics about food, let's go over some lifestyle tips. The Mediterranean diet is a complete lifestyle full of healthy habits. While you may not want to be socializing during this time, don't forget to pick up the phone and check on your elderly neighbors and relatives. They may be afraid to go to a crowded supermarket, or they may just need someone to talk to. Here are some activities to help boost your immune system. Number 1, reduce stress levels. I know, easier said than done, right? Stress is a natural part of life. We need to learn to cope with it in healthy ways. Try meditation. Not only can it calm your mind, it can help boost creativity, which helps in relieving stress. I have a meditation playlist on my channel, and I will put a link to it in the description box down below. If you have a hard time meditating, try listening to relaxing music or getting lost in a good book. Number 2, get a sufficient amount of sleep. Some of us need 9 hours a night, some of us may need 7. Figure out what your optimal amount of sleep is and try to strive for that. During sleep, our body works on healing itself. It also processes any nutrients we've consumed that day and puts them to work. Dreaming can help your mind deal with stress. It helps foster creativity, can improve your mood, and helps you process your daily experiences. Number 3, get a moderate amount of exercise. Exercise helps relieve stress. It can help you lose or manage your weight. It can help lower the risk of some diseases like cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure. It can help your body be better able to fight off infection and germs, and exercise can help you sleep better. You may want to avoid the gym at the moment to avoid coming in contact or spreading germs, but there are other ways that you can get exercise. Take a walk in the sunshine, exercise at home or in the backyard, do some housework or some home improvements, or run around with your kids. Number 4, avoid excessive alcohol consumption. It can make you more susceptible to respiratory illnesses and make your recovery time slower. A glass of red wine is fine, it may even be beneficial, just don't overdo it. Number 5, eat lots of vegetables, especially dark leafy greens. They are full of immune-boosting nutrients. I'm going to go through some of the vitamins and minerals that are known to help boost your immune system and let you know how you can get them through food. Foods high in vitamin C. Citrus fruits, of course, like oranges, clementines, lemons, limes, grapefruit, tangerines. And also bell peppers, all of the colors, but especially red ones. Broccoli, spinach, kale, cantaloupe, kiwi, mango, papaya. Sweet potatoes, berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and cranberries, watermelon, and tomatoes. Foods that are high in vitamin D. Fatty fishes like tuna, salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines, and the bonus is they're also very high in omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs, especially the yolk, mushrooms. Some yogurts are fortified with vitamin D. And of course, sunshine is the best way to get your vitamin D. Now, if you work in an office or if you don't get outside much, you may be deficient in vitamin D. A lot of people are. I know that I am, and I take a vitamin D supplement. So if you do decide to take a supplement, just make sure that you take it with food because it needs fat to be processed by your body. Foods that are high in zinc. Shellfish like crabs, clams, mussels, and lobster. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and beans. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, and whole grains. Now, are you seeing a pattern here? These are all the foods that are recommended on the Mediterranean diet. Some other ingredients that are beneficial: green tea, turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Now I have a recipe for a delicious garlic broth that I eat whenever I feel like I'm coming down with something, and I'll put a link up here, and I'll also put the link in the description box, so don't forget to make my healing garlic broth. There are other steps that you can take to avoid infection. Don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly, and don't forget to wash your fruits and vegetables. I hope this video helps I hope that you learned that you can boost your immune system by eating a Mediterranean diet. So stay healthy, my friends, and I will see you next time. Bye!